Ayan, good morning everyone sa Bahal Care. So for today's video, I would like to make some omelette. Ayan, egg omelette. So we have bell pepper, tomato, ayan, cut into small pieces. And of course, lagay natin yan sa ating mixing bowl. Ayan. So, and then, lagay natin tong 2 egg. And of course, imimix lang natin siya well. Yan, mix it well, add some salt, and make sure guys na yung kawali natin is mainit na siya. Para kapag nilagay natin yung egg, is maganda yung magiging outcome. Okay? Beaten lang natin. Ayan, mix well, mix well. Ayan. So, this is a delicious breakfast actually. So, ayan. It's ready. So, ayan na ang ating omelette. So, of course, ayan. Tingnan nyo guys, napakaganda niya kapag mainit na yung ating kawali. So, syempre, ayan. So, gawin lang natin siyang ikot-ikutin. Ayan. And of course, guys, kailangan ko dyan mag-add ng some olive oil. Ayan. Okay, flip up. Wow, very good. Flip up again. Ayan, flip up. Wow. Muntikan pa siya. Muntikan pa. Ayan, so actually maganda naman ang pagkaka omelette natin. Ayan, di ba? Pwede na maging chef. Ayan. So, ayan. So, it's ready na ang ating egg omelette. So, it's ready to serve. Ayan. So, try this guys. I'm sure your kids or your family, they like it.